So hello guys, welcome to another video of 100 days of 100 coding questions challenge. Today is our 52nd day of this challenge and we had completed 51 problem of the days on Leetcode in past 51 days. So let's begin with today's problem, that is problem number 1653, minimum deletions to make string balanced. It is a medium level question. Topics that are included in this question is string dynamic programming stack. Okay, so it is a very easy question. I don't know why it is a medium level question. I think it is a very easy question. If you have completed a string question or string sheets, you can easily do this question by using stack. So let's continue with this question and see how this question will can be solved. So I have a string that is a b a b b a b. Okay, so in this question we have said that we have a string that is s, and it contains only a and b contains. It contains only a and b characters, only a and b characters, and we have to balance that string by deleting some characters in from that string. And if a string is balanced, so it is the this is the condition that says if a string is balanced or not. The condition is for a pair of indices I and j, a continuous I and j indexes such that I is less than j, and s of I, if s of I is b, then there should not contain s of j a. For every b, there should not be a character that is a. Okay, if a I is b, then there should not be any character of j that is a. So in this it is a non-balanced string basically. So it is non-balanced because after b a is coming, and here also after b a is coming, so it is a non-balanced string. We have to balance this string by deleting some characters, like we can delete a from here and a from here, and we can also delete b from here and a from here. Okay, we can also do this. So after deleting this, we have to return the minimum number of deletions so that we can make a string balance. Okay, so in this I will make a stack. Okay, I'll make a stack, and in that stack I will store characters of this string. Okay, so I have a stack, and also I have a count variable that will count the number of deletions. At first its value is 0. So let's see. For a I will do the basic thing, or basic uh, push operation. So for a I will push it into the stack. Okay, so a is pushed into the stack. For a I can push blindly. For b, okay, I can push directly, but on every push operation I have to check a condition that stack dot top, if stack dot top is equal to b, if there is a b on the top of the stack, and the character which we are traversing is a. Okay, if this condition fulfills, like here it is fulfilling that the top of the stack is b, and the character we are traversing is a. So in this condition I have to I have to do delete operation. So in this I have to delete one character from here. Okay, so I had deleted one character from this, that is b. So I'll delete b and push a into the stack. Okay, I have pushed a into the stack. Now it is b, so let's have a b in the stack. Now for this b, there is no condition fulfilling, so let's push it into the stack. Now for this a, I have to push something into the stack, or I can delete from the stack. So as the condition is fulfilling here, stack.top is b, and the character which we are traversing is a. So I have to perform a delete operation. So I will delete this b, and I will not push a into the stack, and then now I will insert b. Okay, so I have deleted a from here. I can delete b. I could delete b, but for by deleting this b, I have to delete this b also, because I have after deleting this b, I have the string. I have this string, and here also I have in a ba over here. So I have to delete this b also. So the maximum deletion occurrence is 3. So it is exceeding my minimum outputs, or it is exceeded my minimum number of deletions. I can delete a from here, so it will be the minimum amount of all deletions. So I have to return minimum amount of deletion operations that I can perform on this string, and make the string balanced. So I have deleted this a from here. Okay, and I have to return this count. So let's make this code or this logic. So at first I will make a n variable that is s dot size, and after this n I will make a count variable that and initialize it with 0. Now I'll make a stack which contains char, and the name of that stack is st. Now I'll perform a loop that is int I is equal to 0 to I is less than n and I plus plus. It is a basic for loop, or I can use a for each loop also. So I'll use a for each loop rather than using this. Char ch n s. It will make my code more easier for me to traverse in the string. So for char ch in C, I'll check the condition. If stack is not empty, stack is not empty, if stack is not empty, and stack dot top is equal to b. If there is a b on the top of the stack and ch, that is the character which I am traversing, is a, then just pop the stack, pop the top of the stack out. So st dot pop, st dot pop, and count plus plus. I will increment the count. In this way, I have performed the deletion operation and count the variable and count the number of deletion operations. So after this, I will simply make an else statement that will say that I have to blindly insert stack dot push ch. Okay, I pushed ch in this, and at last I will return ch here. So let's see if it is running or not. Oh, okay. I have to return count, not ch. Let's submit it and see if it is running fine or not. Yes, it is running fine, and it is a approach that uses stack. I have another approach that is not using stack. It is a simple traversing technique. So let's do that. So in this technique, I will simply count the number of bees that are present in the string, and for every a coming after the b, I will perform a delete operation. Okay, for every a in the string that is coming after b, I will perform a delete operation. Okay, so in this, I will make a result that is 0 and a variable that is count b, and that is also 0. Okay, now I will traverse char ch in s. Okay, if ch equal to b, if there is a b in this string, I will make count b variable plus equal to 1. Okay, else if there is a condition that says if there is, if count b is not equal to 0, then just decrement the count b and increment the result. Okay, so basically I am doing the counting of b. Basically I am doing the counting of b, that for every b in the string I will mark my count and increment it. Okay, and if I have an a after b, I will decrement the count of b, that is I am deleting the b and increasing the result, that is number of deletions. So after that I will return this result. So hope it will work. Yes, it is. And let's submit this code and see if it is running fine or not. Yes, it is running fine, and it is a much better approach that it beats 95% of other people's. So it is upon you that which approach you do you prefer. And by this I have completed this problem of the day, and the 52nd day of this challenge, that is 100 days of 100 coding questions challenge. If you have any problem in this code, you can visit my repository in my GitHub account. I will be leaving the link in the description. From there you can visit my GitHub. I am posting the solutions of every problem of the day here, and you can tally your code here. So thank you for today.